one.
Question 1.
Yes. Please do the first question. I mean, I'm going to do it now. Okay, so you all have some time to look at it, and some people gave me the right answer. If I want to find the stationary point, what do I need to find? Derivative equals 0. And for this problem, I need the product rule and the chain rule. So let's try this one. 1a. We have y equals x squared e minus 2x. dy dx equals... Now I said I need the chain rule, that's for this piece here, but in fact I don't really need the chain rule because this is in the formula book from semester 1 as well, I think. If you have ekx, what's the derivative? Kekx. Yeah, so yeah, it's the chain rule, but you don't need it if you can use the formula book. So we have 2x e minus 2x plus x squared minus 2e minus 2x equals 0, firstly. Now, there is a 2 which I can cancel. So I have x e minus 2x minus x squared e minus 2x equals 0. No! Why not? What should I do next?
Find the values of x.
Yeah, how? Like, I mean, what's my next step?
Put b as x.
Almost.
Put a minus 2x as x.
These are all good answers, but not what I want.
The value to x.
Say again?
Find the common.
Why did I say again? Yes, we could do that next, yeah.
E to the power of minus 2x bracket 1 minus x.
Yes, that's what I want.
Yeah.
What's that called? Give me the verb. Factorize, yeah. So, it's basically the same thing as you're saying, but we should factorize here. There's an e minus 2x in both. We can take an x out as well, but I won't worry too much about that. Now this has two possibilities. Either e minus 2x is 0, or x minus x squared is 0. Now in fact the first possibility is impossible, because e minus 2x can never be 0. So we are only left with the possibility x minus x squared could be 0. Again, this can be factorized. X times 1 minus x equals 0. So you get x equals 0 or 1. Now we still need to find the y though. And we know that y equals x squared e minus 2x. So that means y equals 0 or e to the minus 2. So I have two answers, 0, 0, or 1 and e to the minus 2. Now this still isn't finished because I need to know which one is the minimum and which one is the maximum. Yeah, so second derivative will do that for me. Oh. So if I have the first derivative here, the first derivative, let me write it down again, 2x e minus 2x minus x squared e minus 2x. Now, second derivative, I'll need the product rule and the product rule. I feel like this might be a little bit easier if I clean it up a bit first. I can take out, sorry, there's 2 here as well. I can take out 2x e minus, no, I'll just take out the, I don't think I can make this much easier. Take out the 2x e minus 2x, and that will leave me here with 1 minus x. Okay, it's not really much easier. In fact, it's not easier at all. So it has no point in factoring it. It didn't make it any easier. So you can write that down if you want. But what I have here is 2 product rules. So firstly, the product rule here, that would be, so this is the second derivative now, 2e minus 2x minus 4x e minus 2x, and now the product rule here, minus 4x e minus 2x plus 4x squared e minus 2x. So this can be cleaned up, can't it? Can it? Not much. 2e minus 2x minus 8x e minus 2x plus 4x squared e minus 2x. Now if I put 0 into this, what will I get? Will the second derivative be positive or negative? Let's see. So at 0, this would equal 2 minus positive, yeah. Yeah, it'll be just this piece and they're gone. So it'll be positive. And then I expect this one now to be negative. So if I put in 1, I'll get 2e minus 8e plus 4e. So 2 minus 8 is minus 6 plus 4. Yeah, so if I put in the other, the 1, I'll get minus number. You can get the number on your calculator, but in fact I don't care what the number is. I just care that at 1 the answer will be negative. So that means this one is positive and then this one here is negative. So which one is the maximum? It is this one here. This is the maximum and this is the minimum. So that answers the question for a full 10 marks. This is an old exam. It is more common nowadays in the exam for them to break this down into parts. For example, part A, what is the first derivative? Part B, what is the second derivative? Part C, where are the stationary points? Part D, therefore, which is the maximum and which is the minimum? Well, just that they guide you. It will still be 10 marks, but it will be divided into smaller jobs. Okay, so that's actually good. It is good. Alright, do you have this? I'll need to go to a new page for the B part now. Actually, yes, you try the B part first, please. It's a proof. Let's see if you can prove it. Okay. So we have tan 3 theta. Now what should I do with this, Brandon? Yes, what is it again? Yeah. You should change this into compound angles A plus B. This is tan A plus B. So the formula for tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A, well, I have it backwards, but it doesn't matter, tan B. Now, what do we do next? The same thing, but for tan 2 theta. Or, in other words, we should use the double angle formula. So tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan squared theta plus tan theta all over 1 minus tan theta 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan squared theta. Now to make this a little bit cleaner, I'll replace tan theta with t. So this would be 2t over 1 minus t squared plus t all over 1 minus t times 2t over 1 minus t squared, just to make it a little easier to write. Yeah? Yeah, I could do that. I mean, there's a few things I could do. I think what I'll do is this is over 1 and this is over 1. I want to combine them, or actually maybe your idea, maybe we'll go with that. I'll multiply everything by 1 minus t squared. I think this is a good idea. So that means this will be 2t plus t times 1 minus t squared over 1 minus t squared minus t times 2t. So this here will multiply all 4 terms. So I'll multiply everything by 1 minus t squared. Yep, yes, yes, and yes. Which equals 2t plus t minus t cubed all over 1 minus t squared minus 2t squared. Which equals 3t minus t cubed all over 1 minus 3t squared, which equals 3 tan theta minus tan cubed theta all over 1 minus 3 tan squared theta. QED. Proof is over.